Hi, and I'm showing us a decent pixel art in Scratch. Now, this won't be amazing, but it's just what I recommend, how to draw pixel art. And yeah, so I recommend doing is getting this and change it down all the way to, I think it's 4. If I can see it's 5. No, I think it's 5 actually. Yeah, 'cause 6 you have that blob, on 5 it goes down to like just a square. You can zoom in really close with this, these blocks. I would recommend using a line tool for everything, so you can draw straight lines and you can just tap it to little blobs. So yeah, I don't really know what we're gonna do, but we'll just see. I guess we could do like a little hard hat guy. Right. But yeah, make sure you use line tool. It's best. Oh and yeah, it's also best if you keep to like a grid pattern. It's so much easier for yourself. Go for a block and a half here for the hat, and I'll give it a little thing. And then I guess we could do... No, that's fine. Now we can do the actual person. So, I guess we can make him a yellowy orange like this. And go with saturation. This kind of color. Here's his face. Like this. So here's his kind of face. Don't know if that's might be too big. Change this down to 5. There we go, we can kind of trim his head a little bit. Now I might make his shirt blue or something. This blue would kind of work, make it look a nice bright kind of blue. Yeah, just 100 will do. Oh yeah, I'm still on brush. Go back to the line. So we can do it straight. This. Here we go. This looks decent. So that's that. What I'm probably going to do is select red. And yeah, I'm probably going to make them 2. And I'll give them like brown shoes, that'll work. And that, switch back to line. You can see why line really helps with the, yeah. This is a great thing to kind of draw a basic dude. Or whatever. See, this isn't that hard. It looks a bit bigger than that. Yeah, I think it is. I might have to make sure I'm only going 1 block. Maybe this is just too small. Yeah, that was it. So let's give him some nice brown shoes. So brown is just a dark orange. It's best if you go 10, 180. It's quite good. Maybe darker, if you want dark brown. Or 70. Bit more. That's better. Yeah, that's good. And that officially looks alright, I guess. If I want, I guess I can make his shoe kind of go this way, so it looks better. Like he's actually standing. And yeah, I'd say we're almost done. I think maybe do some little arms. You know, he's bigger if you want. I'm just giving some black eyes. I'll place him in a place where it doesn't look derpy. And honestly, I mean, you can't really see his skin since it's black background, so I'll make it a bit grey. There we go. So as you can see, we have some decent pixel art. You can follow along with this if you want. And make a replica. But yeah. And you could easily, make running animation just by making a costume where his foot's up and the other one's down. Tap his feet. One arm goes forward, one moves it back. But yeah. That was how to draw decent pixel art character or whatever. If you found this helpful in any way with drawing like a guy, then like, subscribe, all that stuff. Tell you what to do next. Yeah, if you like these videos, let me know. Thanks. Bye.